Exclusive.
Oh, honey, you are my number one Hermes crab. Oh, you make me feel so special.
Oops. What's up, rapper turned sang a T-Pain?
We're just singing to that damn crab again.
You always assume that. One time, man.
I saw you call me.
Yeah, man. Me and Hermie are just messing with your I Am T-Pain app. It's pretty bonkers.
Hold on. I got my own iPhone app?
You've never heard of your own iPhone app?
No.
Oh, you are a rascal.
You're the rascal. So what's up?
So listen.
I think Yorm's still kind of PO'd about getting left off the boat. I was thinking maybe we could do something nice, make it up to him.
Like a pedicure or something? Or some scones or something?
Yes, maybe like blueberry scones?
Whatever. Just, figure it out.
Well, I'll tell you this much. Scones or no scones, he's never going to get on that motherfucking boat. From before.
the chorus
From the song, Pain.
mermaids and me with
From our song that we did together.
All right, bye.
All right, man, one.
Get on that boat with the I Am T-Pain iPhone app. On sale now in the iTunes App Store.